Okay, so let's process a sale. You can do this either over the counter or over the phone at Kirkby. So you'd either start off with a blank cash sales Kirkby window or an account window if the customer's had his details just been taken. So example, let's say the customer wants an MP1212. You can put that in there. Click which one you want. So example, the Iwasa. From there, you can make notes in here if need be. So you could turn around and say something like, I don't know, put the date, your initials, and you could say something like, I don't know, customer made aware it doesn't come with warranty. For whatever reason, for example, you could put anything in there really. And what you'd also do is this would mostly be filled in, but the order type won't be. So if they're over the phone, over the phone, or if it's a walk-in, whatever. So realistically, the main ones you'll use are email, walk-in, and telephone. From there, let's say they're buying over the counter for the example, you could take payment, either cash, card, whatever, and you would then click this down here, take payment, and then change that to Kirkby cash, check, or card once it's the actual physical money's been taken. If it's over the phone using SagePay, by hitting S, you can just go straight to SagePay. You can edit the amount that's tendered. So let's say they wanted to pay, I don't know, 20 on card. You could set that to card and then set this as 20 and then add a separate payment for cash afterwards. What will happen, so example, if I just do that here, let's say they did 20 on card, you can save that. And then let's say they did the extra 17 on cash, I can save that. If you make a mistake, what you can do is you can go back on here and then it says where it says payments, you can actually delete a payment. This can only be done if you haven't saved the order. So make sure that these payments are down to the T and right before you hit save down here because you cannot delete these. But let's say I did make a mistake and the customer changes his mind and wants to pay it all in cash. I can simply delete these payments. It's better to delete both of them just to be sure. And then set the entire thing as cash, for example. Final checks that you're going to do is make sure the quantity is right, things like that. Price is right, stock quantities, all these things are what's involved in making a sale. And then just hit save.